season, so there isn't any reason we can dance at Christmas, and love just fills the air. It's a wonderful world for the boys and the girls while dancing a Christmas polka. There were tears of joy, and let people shout and let everyone know there is hope for all to find peace. Oh my Lord, you sent your Son to save us. Oh my Lord, you fared yourself to give us. Oh my Lord, then save it and enslave us, and love me.